Today we are going to talk about Suvarnabhumi International Airport, Thailand. This is your arrival checklist. Welcome, dear viewers. I am Marina Ron, and if you're new in my channel, me with my family have been traveling to Thailand for past 1 year, 3 months on and off. I share realistic, real-life videos about traveling to Thailand, tips, and my story. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future videos. There are basically 5 checklists you have to put your green ticks around. Let's get started. Immigration. As soon as you land, that's the very first thing you have to do as a foreign traveler in Thailand. You go to the immigration. Depending on how long is your stay, you either go to travel on arrival or you directly go to the immigration. And if you are coming from the country who have visa exemptions, all you have to do is present your passport and you receive a 30-day stamp right away. Straight after that, you will see so many shops inside the airport selling SIM card and portable Wi-Fi. That's the very next step you have to do. Go ahead and get yourself a SIM card, a Thai SIM card, and get online because there are next steps following this. For my situation, I have already mentioned in this video how I had difficulty putting SIM card on my phone, so I ended up getting myself a portable Wi-Fi. Whichever situation you are in, both are available at the same spot. Now you're online, good. After you text your family members that you have arrived to Bangkok, now it's time to download a very important application, the Grab. It is a transportation taxi service application in Thailand and also in most of the other countries in Asia. And of course, there are other transportation options like shuttle services, the airport tray line, etc. But then again, you are first time there. Be safe and accurate. Other than transportation, Grab is also food service just like Uber. So you have everything in one. Next up, in Thailand, credit cards or your debit cards are not commonly used. People commonly use cash over here. So go ahead and get yourself some currency exchange. All of that is available in Suvarnabhumi Airport itself, and you will see so many vendors out there offering the same service. If you don't have cash available, there is ATM. Go ahead, get yourself some cash and get your currency exchange to local Thai baht. Last but not the least, information desk. And let me emphasize something really well. This is the country of smile. People are high in hospitality. If you have any additional queries after all that or anything you would want to know, head yourself to information desk and ask them openly any question you may have, and they will gladly go ahead and help you. And there you have it. Go ahead, collect your baggage and head to the country of smile and enjoy yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos as such. If you want me to cover any other topic or any other thing, do leave it in the comment below. And if there is anything that I have missed out, do share it in the comments below for our viewers. Until next time, safe travel. Thank you.